Good afternoon, everyone. I am Damayanti Dasanayake from Faculty of Allied Health Sciences, University of Peradeniya. The title of our project is Health, Social, Economic, Political and Environmental Impact of COVID-19 Outbreak in Sri Lanka. It is a newspaper cartoon analysis. So let's go to
Next
the
slide,
introduction.
please.
Yes, let's go to the introduction. The mass media has enormous potential for influencing health-related behaviors and perceptions. They play a crucial role in response to numerous outbreaks around the world through opening eyes of both public and policymakers. Cartoons are one of the oldest core content of mass media. It consists of representations of verbal expressions as well as non-verbal pictorial to deliver a specific message. World Health Organization declared a new coronavirus outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern. Based on the WHO guidelines, Sri Lanka has taken all public health measures to control disease spread with adaptive strategies. In Sri Lanka, like other mass media events, the COVID-19 is played up in mass media and social networks and built on images. This study aims to explore the different viewpoints of cartoon towards COVID-19 pandemic, including its health, social, economic, and political impacts that directly related to public health in Sri Lanka. The design of our study is an exploratory content analysis of newspaper cartoons concerning COVID-19 outbreak. The selection of cartoons. Cartoons were selected from daily newspapers published online in Sri Lanka. 7 newspapers representing Sinhala, Tamil, and English language were selected. Lankadipa, Adda, Maubima, Veerakesari, Island, Ceylon Today, and Daily Mirror were selected as the newspapers. We used keywords Corona, COVID-19, or Sri Lanka to search cartoons. All cartoons met the above key terms published during 15th of March to 15th of April were selected. We extracted data using an Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, the name of the newspaper, date, type of cartoons, and pertinent information depicted and symbolism were noted. We used Shawit method in data analysis. In Shawit method, we can see 5 questions mainly. What do you see here? What is really happening here? How does this relate to our lives? Why does this problem or strength exist? And what can we do about this? So after analyzing each and every cartoons, we could found 51 main themes. Based on the similarities and common patterns on the themes, we identified 13 common themes. They are COVID as a pandemic. COVID-19 has become a crisis for Sri Lanka. Prevention is the priority. Knowledge deficit leads to break in health advices. Efforts to control virus outbreak. Shift in socio-cultural practices. Effects of lockdown. Rich man virus, poor suffers the most. Bringing the global economy to its knee. Coronavirus is driving the black market for essential stuff. Seeking strategies to hold the election, applying health precautions in election activities, and other political involvements. Conclusion. By considering all about results of our study, we can conclude that cartoons were effectively used to give broad health and other messages to public during COVID-19 outbreak in Sri Lanka. Newspaper cartoons can be used as an effective mode of disseminating information during a crisis. Thank you very much.